What's up, nerds? Today I'm going to give you a little tour of my ham shack here. It's got some radio equipment and some weird stuff like an Apple IIgs for some reason. But going to be a quick tour here. This is my main rig here. This is my main HF rig. This is the Yeasu FTDX10. Nice little kind of SDR-ish receiver or transceiver. It does a very good job. It is hooked up outside to one of those MFJ magnetic loop antennas. It's pretty small. I'll put a picture of it in here somewhere. But I live in an HOA and I can't put up a tower. I can't put up anything too crazy, so it's kind of hidden out there at ground level. But it's a mag loop, and they actually work pretty well at ground level if you've got them vertical. But that comes around into here, and I've got a little antenna tuner that I'll show you here in a minute. And right now I'm just using the hand mic. I got this not that long ago, and I've got a nice headset, but need to get the little adapter to plug it in here. And I've got a pedal for push to talk. But give you a little close up here of a few things. Okay, so here's the FTDX10. Just a nice little radio. It's got such a great screen, nice waterfall, and can do different things here. It's kind of cool. People always show this 3D waterfall view. It's totally useless. I don't know why anybody would use this. It's just junk. Don't use it. Just put it on that. Here's my hand mic I'm using. This is a nice thrift store find, one of these old Radio Shack communication speakers. The speaker on the radio is pointed up, and I just found this for like $1, and it sounds great and puts the audio this direction. This right here, this looks like a Weller soldering station, doesn't it? Well, it used to be. The soldering station broke, and I needed a controller for my mag loop. I used the MFJ mag loop, but I wanted to be able to run it remotely, so I built my own controller for it. It's got an Arduino in there with a motor controller board, and it has a couple wires going out to the antenna, and I can actually rotate the capacitor in the antenna up and down using these buttons, and this knob here controls the speed that it rotates. And you can kind of see it here. I'll put it on the pen adapter here. There, see there's no signal there now on the top. Put it the other direction, and here it comes. And you can visually see where you're tuned to that peak there. That's kind of hard to see right now, is where you're tuned. You do have to fine tune it a little bit once you get going. But I run everything from a Linux machine here running Debian, and it works out pretty well. And then for some reason right here is an Apple IIgs. This is kind of a special machine. I'll do a video about this at a later date. It's on Ethernet. It's got a like a CF card drive in it, and it's actually hooked up to a KVM switch, so I can run it from this keyboard and mouse. It's kind of cool. But that's just a quick tour here. I'll show some operating later on, and show some of this other stuff in a future video. So until then, what's up, nerds?